You couldn't use the computer, Nick? So this time you discovered the chair. He's still finding technical things. He's throwing surprises for the camera. You came to the office, but this time you came to see how the chair works. Yeah, it just goes to figure that one time I film you, you don't go to the computer. You're just a little kidder. You're going to walk right out of here without going to the computer for the first time ever. You can't make your mind up. Oh boy. Okay, well, Nick, it looks like you got some work to do here. So I'll let you be. What's typing there? Are you on the other computer now? You can't decide which computer you want. Oh, look at you. You can type like 2 computers at once? Yeah. Pretty talented guy. Oh boy. You gotta get up in that chair, don't you? Alright. Oh no, you're already starting to change the screen. I gotta take you from here. You're gonna leave me without a computer screen. Who's this guy here in the mirror? You recognize this guy here in the mirror, Nick? The camera's on. You're not gonna look at him. I'll let you down. Where are you headed to? Oh, you got a cat sleeping there. Where are we going? We're going back into the bedroom? No. You going back to the computer? Funny stuff. Hi.